Hello kids, today we will learn A to Z number name and color name. Orange color, gray color, pink color, peach pink color, light green color, black color, red color, purple color, yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, dark green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. A for apple. B, B for ball. C, C for cat. D, D for dog. E, E for elephant. F, F for fish. G, G for goat. H, H for hen. I for ice cream. J, J for joker. K, K for kite. L, L for lion. M, M for mango. N, N for nest. O, O for orange. P, P for peacock. Q, Q for queen. R, R for rabbit. S, S for sun. T, T for tree. U, U for umbrella. V, V for pen. W, W for watermelon. X, X for X-ray. Y, Y for yo-yo. Z, Z for Zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Red color. A for ant. Light green color. B for banana. Is pink color. C for cat. Yellow color. D for doll. Pink color. E for egg. Orange color. F for fish. Light green color. G for grapes. This pink color. H for hand. Yellow color. I for ice cream. Pink color. J for jug. Orange color. K for kangaroo. Red color. L for lion. Light green color. M for mango. Is pink color. N for nest. Yellow color. O for orange. Pink color. P for peacock. Orange color. Q for queen. Red color. R for rose. Light green color. S for sun. Is pink color. T for tree. Yellow color. U for unicorn. Pink color. V for pan. Orange color. W for watch. Red color. X for xylophone. Light green color. Y for yo-yo. Pink color. Z for zebra. Pink color. 1. Orange color. 2. Red color. 3. Light green color. 4. Is pink color. 5. Yellow color. 6. Pink color. 7. Orange color. 8. Red color. 9. Light green color. 0. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.